Oh, hey! Welcome to Sarvodaya Farms. We are a non-profit organization and urban farm based here in the Tongva territories of what is now known as Pomona, California. And what we're doing at our farm here is we're building a space that is demonstrating our values like community, care, and meeting people where they are, whatever they've been through, whatever their situation is. We're trying to create a space here that is healing and nourishing for everyone who visits. Of course, we grow food here. But we also are working on composting some of the values, some of the ideas that are no longer serving us as a community and as a society. Our farm started in 2014 with the idea that urban farms could grow food for urban people. In our first 3 years, we grew over 30,000 pounds of food that we distributed into this community. Since then, our scope has changed pretty significantly. We still grow food, but we see ourselves as a space where people can come and remember their role as carers, as lovers of our beautiful planet. We have so many amazing programs going on here. Let me show you around. Hey Valerie!
Hi Rishi!
Back again, huh?
Yes, I came back for those guavas from last time. They were so amazing.
Awesome.
I actually wanted to know how I can get more involved in the farm because the last time I was here there was such beautiful energy and so much love and intention I can see goes into this farm, and I want to do more than just be a customer.
We have so many programs that you can get involved with, so I'm happy to tell you all about this.
Well, actually, Rishi, do you mind talking to Valerie about that? And that way I can go check up on Sage and the other interns?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Well, Valerie, it was so good to see you.
It was so nice to see you again.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, so if you're interested, you could become a member. We have our farmer training program.
Hello, my name is Faye, and I am the manager here at Sarvodaya Farms. What's unique about us is that we're not just trying to sell you a plant, although we do have an awesome selection. We strive to connect with our customers and find out what really works for their needs. And it's really important to us that they walk away more knowledgeable and motivated to engage with their own space and thereby continuing their relationship with Earth.
Hey, do you guys want strawberry?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, I'm Sage. I'm one of the farmers here, and I work with the trainees to grow the produce that we distribute at 2 Pay What You Can markets here in Pomona. And this is Plant Man.
Oh hey, yeah, I'm Plant Man. I make a lot of the serious educational content here on the farm that we put out on Instagram and TikTok. Try to reach people beyond our local community. My slogan is, no garden too small, no soil too poor. What are you laughing at?
1,600 native bees in California. There's about 4,000 in the whole United States.
Hey, watch some strawberry.
And in the whole world, there's about 20 to 30,000. And there's such a large gap because they're all California. 4,000.
Oh hey, I'm Seema.
And like
I organize the events and outreach here at the farm. The farm is a great place to heal. We have all kinds of workshops here that encourage our listening, a capacity to build care with all creatures of the earth, and to make sure that we are building relationships with each other. We also encourage all different kinds of facilitators. We prioritize wanting people that identify as POC, women, queer, and non-binary folks, because these communities have the least access to spaces like this. And because of that, we feel that it is necessary to make sure that their voices are heard in these spaces. Like Lola here. Lola is a wonderful facilitator that works with bees, and she helps us to understand how to care for bees and develop our relationships with bees.
Yeah, they're really important. I mean, there's just so many bees in California alone and the world, and people need to know. So it's not just about honeybees, but I mean, this place is incredible. It gives me an opportunity to share the knowledge that I have and that I'm learning and continuing to learn. You see so many native bees here on the farm, and I mean, the lot next to it is so bare. It's just really nice to be able to see the diversity that we have here. And like, look at the bee club members, they're so cool. We're gonna go check out the bees and we'll be right back.
Oh, the membership drive meeting. Come on. Hey.
Hey, Sima.
How's it going?
Good, how about you?
It's going good, it's going good.
Awesome. Should we get this meeting started?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, Delaney and I were just talking about how we think it would be brilliant to do a membership drive video.
It would help us communicate to our members all the wonderful benefits that they receive, including the online monthly gardening lesson, the discounts they receive from our business partners, and the special events that they get invited to.
Do you think I'd be able to help produce that video? I've learned and experienced a lot here, and I wanted to share that with other people.
Yeah, of course, Enzo. For
Sounds
sure.
good.
We invite you to remember our role
As storytellers,
As friends.
As lovers, as a community.
As caregivers. As family.
As partners of our beautiful body Earth.